Sir, good day, sir. I'm Chief Manuel Perez. Rule 7. Rest of collision. A. Every vessel shall use all available means appropriate to the prevailing circumstances and conditions to determine if risk of collision exists. If there is any doubt, such risk shall be deemed to exist. B. Proper use shall be made of radar equipment effected and operational, including long-range scanning to obtain early warning of risk of collision and radar plotting or equivalent systematic observation of detected objects. C. Assumption shall not be made on the basis of scanning information, especially scanty radar information. D. In determining if risk of collision exists, the following considerations shall be among those taken into account. Number 1. Such risk shall be deemed to exist if the compass bearing of an approaching vessel does not appreciably change. Number 2. Such risk may sometimes exist even when an appreciable bearing change is evident, particularly when approaching a very large vessel or a tow, or when approaching a vessel at close range.